The Venus Heat Recovery Ventilator from 2VV represents the latest in heat recovery technology for the residential market. Encased in a low-profile, rugged, lightweight extruded polypropylene shell known as EPP, Venus incorporates high-quality components with a high-efficiency, counterflow air-to-air heat exchanger at its heart. The Venus Counterflow Heat Exchanger is constructed from the highest quality aluminium, guaranteeing maximum heat transfer. As fresh outside air passes through channels by way of stacked aluminium plates, warmer interior and exhaust air passes through separate channels in the opposite direction. The subsequent effect is a transfer through conduction of heat from the interior air to the outside air. Layers upon layers of aluminium plates creating multiple channels results in a recovery of heat which normally would be lost in a typical non-heat recovery system. The Counterflow Heat Exchanger, a 2VV exclusive, functions on a swirl chamber system regarded as one of the most effective methods for air-to-air heat recovery. Cool, fresh outside air is drawn into the swirl chambers, providing maximum surface distance, before venting into an interior space. At the same time, warm, stale air is exhausted through opposite channels, guaranteeing the greatest possibility of heat transfer to the cooler incoming fresh air. The interior stale air is then exhausted to the exterior, having transferred most of its heat energy. This is the principle of heat recovery. Outside air passes through Venus's high-efficiency filters that screen out dust, bacteria, and other air contaminants, resulting in only clean fresh air to the interior spaces. Stale interior air is also filtered and exhausted, eliminating dust, odors, and other air particles, ensuring the heat exchanger remains free of clogs that could reduce heat transfer efficiency. All this technology is encased in a lightweight yet rugged extruded polypropylene shell to ensure Venus durability for years to come. Venus is capable of being installed in both family homes and residential structures. Let's take a look at the many reasons for heat recovery ventilation. Here we see an illustration of a home without heat recovery. Problems occur from poor ventilation, for example condensation and humidity buildup in bathrooms. Mold can build up around windows and ceilings, resulting in unhealthy environments containing dust, bacteria, and high CO2 concentrations. The home, a place where the vast majority of us spend over 50% of our time, becomes a toxic environment contributing to prolonged illness, aggravated respiratory problems, and exposing us to many chemicals from off-gases in furniture, dander from pets, and dirt from the outside. Venus Heat Recovery Ventilation provides one of the best solutions to serious problems in modern living environments. Attached to the ceiling in a mechanical or heating room, fresh outside air is drawn in by the Venus's powerful yet silent supply fan. Ducts from the units are attached to an exterior wall and run through the house to distribution boxes. From distribution boxes, smaller branch ducts are run out to diffusers where fresh, clean air is supplied to rooms. Return and exhaust air is drawn out of areas by Venus's equally powerful and silent exhaust fan. The system is controlled by an attractive and modern controller mounted in a convenient central location. Humidity sensors can be mounted in bathrooms. CO2 sensors can be mounted in other rooms. Venus's advanced control system then gets to work. If the humidity sensor detects high levels of moisture, Venus automatically ventilates the area in question. If the CO2 sensor detects high CO2 concentrations, Venus reacts by ventilating the room. And all of this happens automatically, while you are provided with a healthy, fresh, living environment. In addition to automatic sensing, Venus is designed with boost technology. Boost technology can be enabled when situations in the home occur, such as a temporary increase in poor air quality due to factors including burnt food or other intense odours. Venus controls your living environment even at night. Venus can be programmed to ventilate while you're sleeping or away on vacation. Venus's free cooling option is the answer to summer conditions, where cooler nighttime air can be drawn into the warmer interior. Venus is a unit for all seasons, capable of responding to your environmental conditions. An antifreeze system on cold winter days ensures that Venus's heat recovery continues to perform and the heat exchanger core is not damaged. Another very important reason for Venus is economics. Homes without heat recovery require far more expenditure on energy over the long term than heat recovery equipped ones. Venus's unique counterflow exchanger can recover as much as 93% of interior heated air. And Venus's isn't just for houses. In apartment applications, Venus offers one of the best solutions on the market today. Installing Venus in a spare room near an exterior wall, as seen here, and connected by distribution boxes, Venus provides the same benefits as it does in family homes. Control devices and sensors placed in appropriate locations function in the same efficient way, bringing comfort to any living environment, be it residential building or family house, providing safe, clean and high-quality atmospheres for you and your family. The benefits of the Venus heat recovery system are many. Healthy interior environments, fresh, clean air, energy conservation and savings, as much as 93% of heat recovery, year-round heat recovery, intelligent and modern control system. Venus, brought to you by 2VV. We understand air.